I given enough duty, I should go home now.
Sir, now we are all very tired. Give us all a leave.
If you say that again, I will fire you.
No, sir. I will not say it again. See you morning. I will not leave this Thurko. He pulled me out in front of the whole class.
Hey Moni, where's Rocky?
Rocky had been working all night, that's why he could not get up quickly. He came to school without a washroom, that's why he is in the washroom right now.
What? You also go out of the class.
But what is my mistake?
Because you told me.
Peace has come now. Hello, friends. Have a nice day. Tell Thurko to come in the meeting room.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Come. Thurko, do you made the students hardness today?
Yes, sir. I punished 2 students.
Good. From tomorrow, you have to give him more work.
Don't worry, sir.
Okay, bro. Oh. Okay. I'm so tired now.
Hello, Rocky.
Hey, who are you?
I'm a 20th century robot. I am come to help you.
How help?
You are working so hard. Now, you will not do this work every day.
Really?
Okay, see you morning.
Okay.
Hey Rocky, do you know? What time did you come in?
No.
What?
I said no. Let me know if you know the time.
Hey Rocky, get out of the class.
No, sir.
Rocky.
Sir, please stand up.
Who are you? Okay, sorry.
Hey, old man. As much as you have wronged children, now you will be wronged.
What?
Are you ready for that?
Wait! I have to go to the toilet.
Yes, madam. How long will you sit?
I can't go until I meet Shane Filan.
But I'm also biggest fan of Shane.
But how do I meet Shane? Please find a solution.
Madam, please understand. Shane Filan is a big artist. I want to meet too. I only sell Shane concert tickets. Brother, you look upset. What happened? Tell what? We are working 22 hours for boss. But boss is not increasing our salary. What do we do? Don't worry. Where is boss office? 7th floor. Hey Thurko, your wind will blow.
What did I do? I kicked my own brother out of class. What will I do without you? Sorry, my brother. Please help me.
Okay, Thurko Worko. Rocky was telling. A robot has come to help him.
What? This is very big problem.
Don't worry. I have an idea.
Hello, boss. Hello.
Who is? What this happened?
Hey, disgusted man. Reduce the amount of time of all your employer and increase the salary of all your employer.
Okay, don't worry.
What happened? Thurko, sir.
Principal kicked me out of school. Because I should not be easy with the children.
What? Okay, don't worry. I do something. Robot. Where are you?
I'm here.
Robot. There is an issue.
I know. Don't tell me.
Why?
Why do you forget? All this is the trick of Thurko or Varzun. They want to harass you. Okay, sir. I go now. I am your coming son's robot. Your son made me. Your son sent me here because in the days to come, you are failed miserably. This is why your son sent me here. That's why I solved your problems.
Please don't go from here.
I will meet you in a few years.